Put the packaging film, black rubber ring and iron block together, then tighten the screw. The position of the film is better at the middle of the iron bar. To put it on, the screw hole should be facing up. Pull down the film from the front of the white rubber ring iron bar. Wrap the film backwards from the front of the thin iron bar and then pull the film up between the gap of the white and black rubber ring iron. Put the film through the gap between the coating machine and the 4 iron bars. Then pass the film over the thin iron bar. Then pass the film under the short iron bar. Last, wrap the film backwards from the top iron bar. Then pull the film to the front of the bag former.